How to see old stories on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your old stories within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to see our old archived stories, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select the menu button in the bottom menu. Once the menu opens, select the gear in the top right to open the settings. And then once in the settings, scroll down until you see your activity and select Activity Log. Now in the Activity Log, select Archive in the top menu and then select Story Archive. From here, you should see the archive containing all of your past stories, and you can click on them and you can share them again or even feature them on your profile. Additionally, you can delete them by selecting the 3 lines and then selecting Delete this story. Now, if for some reason you're not seeing your stories here, all you need to do is select the gear and then toggle on Save to Archive. And anytime you post a story on Facebook, it'll be saved to your archive and you can find them here. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.